DeepSeek was already a game changer, but now a new AI has crushed it, effortlessly. Is this the beginning of a new AI revolution? Let's find out. DeepSeek AI made headlines with its advanced capabilities in language processing and code generation. But now, an even more powerful AI has entered the game, one that has outperformed DeepSeek in nearly every aspect. Today, we'll break down what this new AI is, how it works, and why it might change everything. For those unfamiliar, DeepSeek is an advanced AI model designed for language understanding, code generation, and problem solving. It made waves for its ability to write complex programs and even solve math equations with higher accuracy than its predecessors. Meet the latest AI that's taken the world by storm. While details are still emerging, early reports suggest it has dramatically outperformed DeepSeek in key areas like reasoning, efficiency, and real-time learning. But what makes it superior? The secret behind this new AI lies in three main breakthroughs. Self-improving algorithms. It learns and adapts much faster than DeepSeek. Ultra-efficient processing. It requires less computing power to achieve superior results. Expanded multimodal capabilities. It understands text, code, and even images better than DeepSeek. This AI isn't just for research. It's already being applied in industries like healthcare, finance, and automation. Imagine an AI that diagnoses diseases more accurately than doctors or writes better software than human programmers. That's the future we're stepping into. With AI progressing at this rate, are we approaching AGI, artificial general intelligence? Some experts say yes. Others warn about potential risks, like AI surpassing human intelligence too quickly. What do you think about this new AI? Could it be the next step towards superintelligence? Let us know in the comments. And if you love AI and tech updates, don't forget to subscribe to your Brainy Bites for more cutting-edge content. AI is evolving faster than ever, and we're here to keep you updated. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence, only on your Brainy Bites. See you in the next video.